Welcome to Green Cove Springs, Florida. This is the best fishing spot in the world. Haha, it's because it's my slip. Looky here, you see that kitty? He's hiding there. There he is. There's some nice boats here. These are all my neighbors. Wow, look at that one. There's my little scooter. Hey, Scooty. There's the world famous Cindy Mae. That's my boat. That's the Cindy Mae Jr. on top there. Let's go on board. We're going to fish today with some little pieces of soft tacos. This is the flour flavored variety. Well, here's the first taker. I believe these are brown bullheads. If anybody knows different, let me know in the comments below. There's another one. Looks to be about 20 inches or so. There's a little bitty one. Here's the best one of the month so far. I had to toss this one in there. Fishing gets pretty good late at night. I caught this one on big chunk of cut ladyfish about the size of your hand. Maybe a little bit bigger even. I'd say it goes about 20 pounds. I do believe it's a channel cat. That's a whopper of a channel cat. Look at the size of that bad boy. Or maybe it's a girl. I'm not gonna look. I'm not gonna look. I'm gonna let it go. That's what I do with most all the fish, unless I cut them up for bait. That one's well over 3 feet long. I'd give it an easy 20 pounds or better. Fishing gets pretty good late at night here. Look, there's that little bitty one again. There's his big brother. Grunt, grunt, grunt. That's a good one. Catch of the day.